Do you want to know how I achieved this soft, moisturized and healthy hair from scratch? This video is going to take you step by step on how to care for your natural hair from pre-poo to the end. Please don't forget to support your sis by subscribing and liking this video. Keep watching. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about DIY mask. So guys, for this recipe you will need carrots, banana, MSM powder, mango powder, rapeseed oil, tea tree oil, and of course my aloe vera. So this aloe vera has been in the fridge for over 2 weeks, and you can see how it is. I didn't put it in the freezer, and it's practically okay. So this is what I will be using. So my carrots and my banana, I boiled them. So this is it. I didn't want it to waste your time, so it's already boiled. I boiled my banana because I don't want to have any leftover on my hair. You can also use it without boiling. So since I boiled my carrot, I used the opportunity to boil it because it's not that ripe. So it's also okay like this. You can see the juice that I have. So let me go straight to it. For this treatment, I'll be using both the skin and the gel. So I'll go ahead and take off the sharp edges and cut into smaller pieces so my blender can blend properly. Let's talk about the benefits of all these goodies. So let's start with banana. Banana is rich in potassium, vitamins, and natural oils, which moisturize the scalp. It promotes hair elasticity, smoothes frizzy hair. Also protects against split ends and hair breakage, and also make your hair shinier. The next ingredient we are going to talk about is carrots. The beta carotene in carrots will help keep your hair soft and shiny. It contains vitamin A and E, and it also helps to stimulate hair growth and make your roots more stronger. As you can see, guys, all these are natural and ingredients, natural plants, which are really helpful to promote our hair. Not only our hair, also you can take it. We know we can take carrot, we take banana, we take aloe vera, we take MSM powder. These are natural ingredients which also help promote our hair. So let's go to the next one, which is aloe vera. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzyme, which repairs dead cells on scalp. It's also a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching of the scalp, reduces dandruff, and it also conditions your hair. You can see how my hair is already loving the mask. You can see how my hair is already soft because I've already washed my hair and I'm just applying the mask. So I try to skip some areas. I don't want this video to be very long. So let's go to mango powder. Mango powder can help you get rid of dandruff, prevent hair loss, can help control alopecia, can also prevent early graying. So let's go to the MSM powder. MSM is known as a sulfur-rich compound with an anti-inflammatory properties, which can help with hair growth and retention. MSM sulfur can form bonds essential to strengthen hair and influencing hair growth. So the next one is rapeseed oil. Rapeseed oil contains fatty acid, vitamins, and minerals. It makes your hair glossy, loose, and moisturize hair, and can also soften hair. Tea tree essential oil softens and inches scalp, reduces dandruff and flaking, improves blood flow, and allow nutrients to get to your hair follicles, balance the pH of your scalp, and stimulates the hair growth cycle. There are lots of essential oils out there. So tea tree essential oil is one of them. So we have the lavender, we have the melt, we have lots and lots of them. You can just go ahead and search and look for the one that you will love, that you just have to add it, incorporate it to your hair regimen, and it's going to really help you on your natural hair journey.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh.
After rinsing out, you can see how my hair feels super soft, moisturized, shiny, and all. You can see my coils are just popping out. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate you. See you next time till I come your way. Bye.